Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a PS5 right over here, and in this video I'm gonna go over how you can open it up and how you can add an extra storage in here. You can add an extra additional 1TB NVMe drive with no problem, and you can save more games and do have more saved games pretty much. Alright, and this is really easy. It takes literally probably 2 minutes or less if you do it quickly. I'm gonna cover this, how you can do it really fast. So first thing first, you wanna open up the cover where, let's say, on the side over here on the side where you have the PS5 logo now, but the other side. The side which is closer to this portion, the USB port towards that side. So what you wanna do, you wanna push this corner, this slim side, this corner, put your finger right at the back and grab this side and push it like that, and then push it toward the bottom side of the console. And then you're gonna loosen up, remove this cover. All right, once you remove that one right there, and the rest is history. The NVMe goes right over here. I already recommend you guys to grab an Samsung Pro. These are really, they will last longer and they are really durable. I already recommend you guys to use these ones. This is a brand new one. Let's remove this one here. You can put any NVMe, it will work fine, but I like the 980 Pros. These are really, really durable. Then you need a screwdriver, a Phillips #1. Okay. We're gonna remove this tiny screw right over here. Not that tiny, it's kind of big actually. Once you remove that one, put your finger right underneath this plate and remove the plate. And then you're gonna see a tiny screw right there. You wanna remove this screw. And the screw comes with a tiny riser right on top. Don't move the riser. Now you want to remove your SSD. Let's put this riser to one side. You want to make sure the notch on the SSD matches the notch right on a DIMM down there. So pretty much I'm going to hold this. You want to bring it down in 45 degrees all the way to the jack and push it down inside the jack. Once it's in there, you're going to feel like, oh, it's springy. That's what you want to feel. Then you want to grab this riser, put it on a hole right there where it says 80, and you want to bring it down. And then all you need to do is to put the screw right on up, and don't tighten up too crazy, just nice and firm, and that's it. And the last thing is to scoop down the bottom cover shield, put it there, and put the secure lock right on top. Screw. All right, and the last thing is to scoop the cover from the bottom toward the top side, bring it and make sure it clicks in the corner right in here. And that's how you can add an extra storage up to 1 TB with no problem. And you can just go to the configuration, storage, and format the partition. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you want to support the channel, click that like and subscribe. And if you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.